Okay guys, ever wanted a fun way to highlight what your brand stands for without a boring plain text block? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely playful. Today we're adding this healthy slider section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here you can install any app based on your needs. Right now we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Healthy Slider. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Healthy Slider, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First option here lets you choose between 3 different layouts. I'll go with the first one and turn on the full width button. Below that is columns for desktop, meaning how many columns you want in a row. I'll leave this at 3. After that comes the sections padding and margin. The padding already looks good, so I'll just increase the margin a little. Now let's move to colors. First, there's the background color, which I'll convert to white, and I'll adjust the rest of the colors the same way based on my own preference. I'll also change the heading font style to Poppins, just like I do with every section. Right below that, there's heading font size and letter spacing, which you can easily edit too. After that comes the body text. I'll change its font style to Poppins as well, but you can use any fancy or minimal font style you prefer. Below that, you'll find size and margin settings for both mobile and desktop. Once that's done, close this and choose any slide. Here you can add a custom icon. I don't have one ready right now, so I'll just add Google's logo for reference. You can also change the heading. I'll replace this with Tech Giant, and below that, you can add a link wherever you want to send your users. After all that effort, just hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.